Hey friend, welcome to the BotBuhdy AI report. Today we've got a packed show for you. Claude is now writing 80% of its own code. Generative AI now beats average humans on creativity tests. June 2026. Model Avalanche, Fable 5, Gemini 3.5 Flash, GPT 5.5. And finally, AI task horizons doubling every 4 months. Let's get into it.
Anthropic just pulled back the curtain on something wild. As of May, their own Claude models are writing more than 80% of the company's merged code. 80%. That's not an experiment. That's the new normal. Their engineers haven't been replaced. They've been amplified. Output is up 8 times since 2024. Claude agents now handle tasks that stretch 16 hours or more with minimal human direction. And here's the kicker. The AI is also optimizing its own experiments, delivering 52 times speedups. The gap between human and machine research judgment, it's shrinking fast. What we're watching isn't just a company using AI. It's AI quietly taking the wheel on its own development. The loop is speeding up, and the loop is writing the code that writes the next loop. That's what Anthropic is telling us. And they would know.
This one caught my eye. There is more to this story than you might think.
Let's talk about the creativity study that just dropped. Over 100,000 humans took standardized creativity tests. Generative AI took the same ones. The machines won, not against experts, against the average person. On tests specifically designed to measure human originality. Let that sink in. For years, the knock on AI was that it could calculate but never truly create. That line just got blurrier. The implications are massive. Every creative industry, every marketing team, every writer, designer, and strategist now needs to ask a hard question. What does creative even mean when a machine can outscore a human on the very benchmarks we built to measure it? Here's the nuance, though. Top human performers still lead, but the floor just got raised. And the middle? The middle is now crowded with silicon.
All right, let's go. This next story has me fired up. You're going to want to hear this.
June 2026 is the month AI stopped doing version numbers and started doing avalanches. Claude Fable 5, Gemini 3.5 Flash, GPT 5.5 just hit general availability, and whispers of GPT 5.6 and Grok 4.3 are already circulating. That's nearly a new frontier model every single week. This is not the calm, predictable cadence of 2024. This is a fire hose. And if you're a developer, a product manager, or a CTO, your stack evaluation cycle just went from quarterly to daily. The competitive moat used to be who had the biggest model. Now it's who can iterate fastest. The labs aren't shipping products anymore. They're shipping disruptors. And if you blink, you're already behind.
Okay, this next one. I am genuinely excited about this. You are going to love it.
Here's the exponential curve that should be keeping every knowledge worker up at night. According to Meta and Anthropic's own measurements, AI task horizons are doubling roughly every 4 months. 4 months. We're talking about reliable, autonomous work stretching past 16 hours now. Claude Mythos Preview is already handling multi-day complexity, and the trend line is unmistakable. Minutes became hours. Hours are becoming days. Soon, days become a full work week of unsupervised AI labor. This isn't speculative. This is measured, tracked, and accelerating. The organizations building these systems are the same ones publishing the data, which means the people closest to the frontier are telling us exactly how fast it's approaching. The question isn't whether AI will handle your entire project. The question is whether you'll notice before it already has.
That's all for today, friend. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe. I will see you tomorrow with more AI news. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and remember, leverage your intelligence.